Does it concern you at all that you have so many guys on your roster that are in the Mitchell Report?
For Chris and Lori Ello, the decision to have LASIK just made sense for their lifestyle. Chris narrates sports at live games. He needs to be able to see well in the distance at night and also see up close. Lori's a marketing director at SeaWorld and works regularly on her computer. Their biggest challenge was finding a surgeon that they felt comfortable with.
I think what made me start really actually looking around was when I just noticed I couldn't see as well as I used to be able to see, you know. And I don't really think of myself as vain necessarily, but I do think of myself as somebody who's really not organized enough to always have my glasses with me. And there was absolutely no way I was ever going to do contact lenses. I'm just like freaked out. No way I wanted to ever have to put anything into my eyes.
Well, I wore glasses and contacts since I was 14, and the problem is everywhere I went, I had to either have my glasses or my contacts on.
My wife really did have bad eyes. I mean, she had glasses and contacts, and we would when we were driving around with her, you know, and she was in the passenger seat, I'd make her take her glasses off sometimes, just so she could really explain to me how awful she could see. And I mean, she was seeing blobs, like a red light, she would just see a big blob of red. She couldn't even see the traffic light 2 feet away.
I checked out 3 or 4 different eye doctors before we picked Dr. Feldman. So the main thing is really asking a lot of questions, find out their procedure, talk to people who have had a procedure. That was a really big thing with me. Seeing my husband go through it, that sold me.
The thing that made Lori and Chris such great patients is that they were very knowledgeable, they understood what was happening, and they understood the differences in surgeons and doctors and what we do.
Josh, update, back, Chris Ello, XTRA Sports 1360.
To me, it's one of those things that's worth investing in. It just frees you up. It's like, I don't know, it's like having the chains taken off. It really is. You don't have to worry about the glasses, you don't have to worry about your contact, your solution, or anything like that.
It's really hard to convey to somebody it will change your life, but it really, truly does change your life.